We use social media like Facebook for free without paying a penny. But the owners of these social networking sites spend billions of dollars to maintain data centers so that we can upload photos and videos. Take Facebook, for example. It has 18 data centers that cost more than $20 billion. Every social media site requires billions of dollars to function. So why are they providing all these services for free? You might say they make money from our data. Some people also believe that if they take our data, it doesn't matter because they have nothing to hide. But it's not that simple. Today, you'll learn how ads for things you think about appear right before your eyes. Why do BMW ads target only those who can afford them and not poor people? Let's discuss everything. Today, if I ask you what the most valuable thing is, the answer would be attention. If you can capture people's attention in any way, you'll have plenty of money. There are many sports and globally, but cricket and FIFA gets the most attention because it's the most watched. So cricket attracts the most money. Even within cricket, the India-Pakistan matches get the most attention, and thus the most money comes from these matches. Whether it's a movie, a product, or an actor's paycheck, it's all decided by who has the most attention. If you have a way to capture people's attention, you can become rich because companies display their products where people's attention is focused. Today's world revolves around attention, and companies use various ways to direct it towards their products. Technology and social media have upgraded this game significantly. If you look at the list of the world's richest people, it's filled with tech billionaires. YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn, all these social media platforms earn billions. People like Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos of Amazon, Larry Page of Google, and those from TikTok and gaming have become the most powerful individuals. Basically, what they did was offer free social networking and entertainment through apps, collected people's data, and then used that data to control attention and run targeted advertisements. By 2023, the overall market size of social media is expected to be $231 billion. Many countries don't even have such a GDP. Whenever you create an account on a social networking site, a deal is made between you and the social media site. The deal is that you provide your data, and in return, the site gives you access to its network and entertainment. The terms and conditions you click on are a legal agreement where you agree to share your data. This is how social networking sites collect data from people worldwide, observe their habits, and provide platforms to advertisers to sell their products. Imagine you've created your own social networking site and offered it for free to everyone in California. People start using it, connecting with each other, liking, commenting, and uploading everything. All this data gets collected by you. Before creating an account, you've already clicked that your data can be used. So all the data of California's people is now with you. You analyze this data with the help of data scientists and attention engineers and find out that in a certain area, people drink a lot of coffee at a specific time. So you approach a big coffee company and tell them to stop wasting money on TV ads, newspapers, and banners. You offer to show their ads only to those addicted to coffee because you know their habits. This would lead to a much higher conversion rate than traditional advertising. Besides, a newspaper ad is seen once or twice a day, while a mobile phone is the closest thing to a person. If you can get into someone's phone, there's nothing more personal than that. This is how the basic model of advertising has upgraded. Now, you might ask, when we created a Facebook account, we only gave our name and email, maybe a phone number for two-factor authentication. When you create an account, you provide basic details, but these sites track everything: what you like, what you comment on, how long you stay active, which days you don't use it, and from which locations. The images you post on social media contain EXIF data, revealing your GPS coordinates, the camera used, file size, and more. Social networking sites save all these details. Like, comment, and share buttons act as trackers, continuously sending your actions and information to social media sites. When you logged into a website, you had to enter your details every time. But then a person named Lou Montulli introduced cookies. Nowadays, when you visit a website, it asks you to accept cookies. Once you accept them, the website stores your details from the browser. These cookies act as the website's memory. Now imagine you visit Los Angeles Times' website, accept cookies, and your details are saved. The next time you visit, the website remembers your details. Websites share information with each other through third-party cookies. For example, if you see a Facebook-like button on a website, it's a third-party cookie. This is how they stay connected and share information. Your information gets tracked across different websites, and more users mean more data, more attention, and more money. Now, you might think they're showing ads, but we won't buy anything. We'll buy it from outside. Okay, consider it this way. If you're going out with your family to buy school shoes and the whole market knows in advance that you're coming to buy shoes, the vendor who pays more for ads will show you their shoes. That's why today data is more valuable than oil from the Middle East. In 2017, The Economist published a report considering data more valuable than oil. Since data is valuable, hackers try to steal it. For example, in 2021, the data of 4.5 million customers in India was stolen from a website. Hackers maintain data for years, and then one day they come and steal it. In 2020, the data of 20 million customers from Big Basket was stolen and sold on the dark web. There's a high chance that your email ID or card details have been attacked at some point. You can check this on a website called Have I Been Pwned? Collecting your data allows them to observe your behavior and predict your next actions, which can be controlled. This data collection is improving day by day, and companies are using it to target individuals based on their jobs, insurance, spending habits, and even political and religious opinions. I'll explain with an example. In Paris, there was a girl named Chloe. After her breakup, she started using Tinder. While using it, she felt dissatisfied with her profile rating and emailed Tinder continuously for 7 months asking for her data. Europe has strict data protection laws, so she was able to do this. After much follow-up, Tinder sent her 800 pages of data. Judith was shocked to see that Tinder knew more about her than she did herself. Tinder knew how often she felt lonely each week, what kind of boys she liked, when she was more attracted to boys, how many messages she sent, what her music taste was, her location preferences, and every little detail. Now, imagine how easy it would be to manipulate someone with so much information about them, be it their political opinion or their reaction to an advertisement. Social media companies have faced multiple inquiries about their activities. It's said that these companies can listen to your conversations through your mobile device, although this hasn't been proven. However, there was a full inquiry on this by CNBC, and you can find the video on YouTube titled Mark Zuckerberg, We Don't Use Mobile Devices Microphones. People started noticing that after talking to their friends on the phone, related products would appear in ads the next day or a few days later. Although this hasn't been proven, social media companies, thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button for latest updates every day.